Hey there, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to another brand new video. So recently I did a community post on YouTube and also on my Instagram stories wherein I wanted to know what kind of stationery videos do you guys want to see. So I got quite a bunch of interesting recommendations and requests, especially on my Instagram story replies, and you're going to see a lot of stationery content in my upcoming videos as well. So in today's video you are going to see an art journal kit that I got from this brand called the Bodhi Journal, and I actually came across this brand on Instagram and I loved their stuff. Like, I loved their posts and stories, and then I went to their website and I found some really amazing products and they looked so beautiful. They have some really amazing art journal stuff, especially as the name of the brand itself is like the Bodhi Journal, so it's dedicated to journaling. So I went to their website and I found some really interesting products, and I thought I'll start with an art journal kit because I got some requests on my Instagram story replies. If I'm not wrong, there were only two art journal kits. One was the vintage one and the one I got is the cosmic art journal kit, and like the theme itself is like cosmic and all, and there's another one which is like the vintage theme. I wanted to go for the vintage one, but I thought that I already have some, vintage stickers and all, so maybe I'll go with the cosmic one because it really sounded interesting. And I ordered it and I got it within a week. I think the major concern that you may have while you are ordering something from a new website is that if you will get your products in time, or how much time will it take for them to deliver your products. And I was really surprised because I got mine in within like a week. I think in a day or two they packed everything and shipped it, and of course the courier company did a great job and I received it within a week, which is great. So when it comes to the delivery of the products, you can definitely rely on them. Of course, it's my personal experience and things may differ for different places, different pin codes. So yes, that's my experience with the delivery of the products. And this video is, by the way, not sponsored by them, and I've not received these products from them as gifts. These are products that I purchased with my own money, so I just wanted to mention that in case you are wondering. So this is the package that I received from them. It looks really small, and when I received it I was like, oh my god, is there anything inside this? Like, I was kind of concerned, but when I opened it and saw everything, I was really happy with their packaging. I did notice that they have tried their best not to waste any paper or plastic while packaging their products, which is amazing. All right, now without any further delay, let's get into the video. I'll show you all the items that I've received in this package, and I'll show them to you up close from every angle, as you know how I show you all the products, so you can get a closer look. They have also sent a few freebies which I admire a lot, because if you are considering to buy other stuff and you don't know how they're going to appear, so you get a closer look at it that okay, this is how they are going to be, so you get some confidence to order those things in your next purchase. So overall, I'm really happy with their service, their delivery, their products, and their approach in general. So now without any further delay, let's get into the video. I'll show you all the things that I've received in this package, and I really hope that you will enjoy this video.
So this is the package that I received. It was well packed, and inside this is how they did the packaging of the art journal kit. I loved how they have used this black paper which I can use in my art journal, and also this white piece of cloth to secure the whole thing. And over here they have sent this thank you card and they have written my name, which I loved. It gives you a really personalized touch, so I loved it. I will definitely save it. Then these are the freebies that I was talking about. I saw these on their website and I was intrigued, but I didn't know if they were good enough. So I could see the quality over here and I can now decide whether I want to purchase them or not. So now let's open the actual kit. So this is the whole art journal kit. Inside this you have all the items, and the envelope was a little damaged. So this is the first item. This is a postcard and it's written look to the stars. This is an actual postcard and you can actually send it to someone if you want to, or you can just write over it and stick it to your art journal. Next we have the moon phases stickers. There are two stickers on this one, the two black stripes, so you can stick it on your art journal. So this is like a sticker, you don't have to use a glue. There's another one, and over here you will get 4 strips of stickers. I actually love these. These are so beautiful and these will like fill up your journal spread. Next we have the Cosmic Child dot stickers. You can stick these even on colorful spreads, or the black and white spreads will be the ideal to stick these, but they are so beautiful. Next we have this one. So these are also dot stickers, but the circles are bigger, and these are galaxy themed. As you can see, the colors are so pretty. I love this one because this one has like the northern lights and stars and just so pretty. I love this one especially. And then we have this one, like the dots over this one are smaller, so you get the dot stickers in every size, which I particularly loved a lot. Moving on to the next item, then we have this pack of stickers. This one has different kind of stickers and also some cards. So I'll show you all the stickers one by one, and then I'll also show you all the cards. They are so beautiful, the colors are so vibrant. I love the fact that there is so much variety in this sticker pack. As you can see, the designs are so beautiful, so thoughtful, and you can use these in different kind of art journal spreads. So that's something I loved. There are some circular stickers as well, but my favorite part is the cards. I'll show them to you in a second. Just see how beautiful these cards are. These cards are not stickers, you have to stick them with the help of a glue. The next item is this pack of post stamps. I loved the idea, it's quite unique and the stamps look super pretty. For these also you have to use glue to stick them to your art journal spread. So make sure that you have proper glue because these are not stickers. The next item in the kit is the Cosmic Vellum booklet. So there are cardstock paper inside this one, and there are total 50 designs. All the designs are again based on the cosmic theme, and they are super pretty. They are in different color schemes, so you can use them for different kinds of art journal spreads. I love the galaxy designs, they are my favorite, and the colors are really pigmented, so when you stick them to your spread, they will pop up, they will look vivid and vibrant, and they will add so much magic to your spreads. And I saved the best for the last. This is the Cosmic Word Book. So there are 50 words in this one with their meanings, and these are so beautiful. I'm going to use them so much. This definitely has to be my most favorite item out of the whole art journal kit.
Alright guys, so that was all for today's video. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video and found it valuable. If you have any feedback, definitely share that in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, definitely consider subscribing. Click on the bell icon so you get all the notifications in the future. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.